Good morning, everyone. I, Mitashi Arora, your general knowledge teacher, welcome you to the E class of St. Joseph's Academy. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, we will revise chapters 7, 8, 9, and 10 of your general knowledge book. So, let's start. Turn to page number 11, chapter number 7. The name of the chapter is Insects. Do you know what are insects? Insects are small animals with 6 legs, 2 pairs of wings, and a body that is divided into 3 parts. For example, butterfly, termites, and flies. In this chapter, you have to identify the insects with the help of clues given. Let's discuss the first question. Which insect sits on food and spread cholera germs? Do you know the answer? Yes, you all are absolutely correct. Housefly sits on food and spread cholera germs. Housefly feeds on leftover food and on dirty things like garbage and cow dung. Let's discuss the next question. I work hard. I live in colonies. The answer is an ant. An ant works very hard and it lives in colonies. Do you know that an ant lives for 15 years? It is an intelligent insect. They work very hard, they save food for the future, and they are found everywhere in the world. Third question is, you find me in beds and blankets. The answer to this question is bed bugs. Now let's come to the next question. I am the most beautiful fly. You all must know this answer. The answer is butterfly. Do you know that the butterflies use their feet to taste? Isn't it strange? They live for a few weeks only and they are the most colorful insect. Fifth question is, I spread malaria. Identify the insect. Which insect spreads malaria? Yes, the mosquito spreads malaria. Sixth one is, neither am I a lady nor am I a bird. Who am I? I am a ladybird. Most people like ladybirds because they are pretty, graceful, and harmless to human beings. Seventh question. You find me mostly in your kitchen. The answer to this question is cockroach. Do you know that cockroaches can live without their head for a week? Can you all live without your head? The last question of this chapter is, I like blood. You find me in your hair. Yes, you all know the answer. The correct answer is louse. It is a sign of poor hygiene. That is why it is recommended to take good care of your hair. Turn to page number 13 now. Lesson number 9, Birds Search. You have to identify the birds with the help of clues. First one is birds that eat dead animals. The answer is vulture. A vulture eats dead animals. Second one is a bird that shares its name with a country. The answer is turkey. Turkey is the name of a bird and a country. Third one is a bird that never builds its own nest. The answer is cuckoo. Cuckoo is a bird that never builds its own nest. Next one is fish eating bird with a large bill and a throat pouch. The answer is pelican. Fifth one is the bird who makes holes in trees to find insects. The answer is woodpecker. Woodpecker is a bird who makes holes in trees to find insects. Sixth one is a bird that cows on the roof. The answer is crow. Seventh one is a bird whose name rhymes with the word love. The answer is dove. Love and dove rhyme. Eighth one is a bird commonly found in your neighborhood. The answer is sparrow. Sparrow is commonly found in our neighborhood. Turn to page number 12 now. Lesson number 8. Parts of animals. We all have different parts of the body. Animals too have different parts of body. In this chapter, you have to identify the important parts of different animals and write their names. So the first one is a camel's hump. A camel's hump does not hold water at all. It actually stores fat. The camel uses it as nourishment when food is scarce. It means when there is no food around, the camel uses its hump to get nourishment. Second one is rhino's horn. It is used as a treatment for many illnesses. They are very valuable. Third one is parrot's beak. Next one is squirrel's tail. Their tails help them to maintain balance when they jump from one tree to another tree. Fifth one is elephant's tusk. They are the elongated teeth of the elephants. These teeth continue to grow throughout their lives. Sixth one is snail's shell. It acts as protection against the sun. Seventh one is fish's scale. The purpose of the scale is to give the fish external protection. Eighth one is butterfly's wings. Butterflies have 4 brightly colored and patterned wings. The last one is elephant's trunk. An elephant's trunk is actually a long nose used for smelling, breathing, and grabbing things. Turn to page number 14 now. Lesson number 10, Fruits Crossword. First one is watermelon. WATERMELON, watermelon. Watermelon is of green color from outside and of red color from inside. It is a large oval shaped fruit. They are called so because they contain 92% of water. Second one is guava. GUAVA, guava. Guavas are of light green color from outside. They taste delicious. Guavas are one of the best sources of vitamin C. They have a lot of seeds inside. Third one is mango. MANGO, mango. Mango is a yellow colored fruit. It is called the king of the fruits. It comes in the summer season. It is the national fruit of India. It is very juicy. Next one is banana. BANANA, banana. It is a long yellow color fruit. Raw bananas are green in color. After ripening, they become yellow. Monkeys love bananas. Next is grapes. GRAPES, grapes. Grapes grow in bunches. They can be green or purple. Next one is strawberry. STRAWBERRY, strawberry. It is a red, heart-shaped fruit. They are used as a filling for pastries, cakes and pies. A pear. Pear is one of those superior fruits which have good taste and flavor. PEAR, pear. The next one is a pineapple. PINEAPPLE, pineapple. Pineapple is an incredibly delicious and healthy fruit. Next one is orange. ORANGE, orange. It is a delicious fruit. Its name is also a color. Orange is a round fruit and is orange colored. Last one is an apple. An apple is a red colored fruit that keeps doctors away. Apple is beneficial for our health. Now children, let's do the revision test. Take out your general knowledge notebook. Write today's date and start doing it. First question is, read the clues and identify the insects. First one is, I sit on food and spread cholera germs. Second one is, you find me in beds and blankets. Third one is, I am the most beautiful insect. Fourth one is I like blood. You find me in your hair. Fifth one is neither am I a lady nor am I a bird. Make sure that you write the correct spelling. Now question B. Write important parts of different animals. First one is camel. Second one is parrot. Third one is elephant. Fourth one is fish. Fifth one is butterfly. You have to write the important parts of these animals. Let's do question C now. Read the clues and write the names of the birds. First one is a bird that shares its name with a country. You have to identify the bird and write its name. Second one is a bird whose name rhymes with the word love. Third one is a bird commonly found in our neighborhood. Fourth one is a bird that never builds its own nest. Next one is birds that eat dead animals. Now question D. Write the names of any 4 fruits. In today's video, we discussed about many fruits. You have to write the name of any 4 fruits. Please make sure that you write the correct spelling. That's all for today's e-class. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Take care everyone.